Looking at a legend in the flesh. Fresh about the kitchen to the check. Blew a quarter key on the set. Hold up. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose. Photo shoot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're gonna do an eyebrow tutorial because your girl don't got no eyebrows. So yeah, my eyebrows are very thin, but this is just naturally how they grow. We're gonna go from this to this. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell everybody you know. And also let me know what you guys do to your eyebrows. Do you guys have eyebrows, or are you like me where you don't have eyebrows? Like, I know I'm not the only one. I mean, maybe I am, but don't make me feel left out. Like, don't do it to me. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna get very much up close and personal because I need you guys to see everything. So today we're gonna be using NYX, very drugstore, affordable, and it gets the job done, and it looks really good. And I'm gonna be looking down because my mirror is underneath the lens. So yeah, so we're gonna start off with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. You could go a little bit darker for your pencil, but I wouldn't recommend it for your brow gel. So yeah, we're gonna use the pencil, and it has like a really fine tip. And you could really use any eyebrow pencil to do this, but you're just gonna outline your brows. And like for me, I have a little mole here, so I know my brow shouldn't be above the mole, and I can see my little hairs. And then I just go underneath my hairs and do that. Just take your time, simple. And then we go to the next side. Make sure your face is straight. So yeah, this is step one, to outline your brows. And I like this pencil because it's really thin, so you wouldn't, like, when you're concealing, you don't have to take off too much. You just, it's very precise. Gets to the point. Now we're gonna move on to our eyebrow gel. So it's NYX Eyebrow Gel in Espresso again. We're gonna use an angle brush. Like, don't judge me on my brush. It's very old. It's an e.l.f. brush. So I'm gonna take my thing and just squeeze a little bit out, like this much, really, on the back of my hand. And then I like to start from the tip of my brows and work my way up. That way the front wouldn't be so harsh. Finished yet, but I'm going to jump to the next side because I don't know, I just do that. So the goal is to stay in between the lines as much as you can. That way you don't have to conceal or clean up too much. Like you already have a canvas, just stay in the lines. Like color in the lines. Like we're grown now, we could color in the lines. So yeah, so now we're almost done. It's just literally the ends, and we're just gonna take our time. If you feel like you have enough product on your brush already, just you can use that and just lightly stroke the brush, stroke it. A lot of people do up and down, but I think that's for people who have eyebrow. So I still go across. So the whole process, I'm really just going across. I don't have any eyebrows to be going up and down. But it's okay. I get it done. It still looks good. They're a little bit thicker than what I want. So what I'm gonna do now is to take a small concealer brush. So it's like a flat brush. We're gonna use this to clean up. We're gonna go back under and a little bit over. Usually I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, but today we're gonna try out the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Ooh,
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap.
In Mocha. I don't even know if this is my shade, but we're gonna try. If it don't work out, we'll just go back to what we know. And this is a tip. So we're just gonna use the brush, take some off because we don't need too much. And we're gonna outline the brows again. So as you can see, I just went went underneath my brow to clean it up. This is also good if you do have brows like unlike me and you haven't got your eyebrows waxed or threaded. You could use the concealer to clean that up as well. And then you just, after going underneath it, you just drag it down. Oh, this is really like my shade. So nice and clean. Then you go on to the next eyebrow. And I like to clean the bottom first and then judge that on, then keep going to the top. That way you know like your brows could only be but so low. Like you can see the difference already with this one that's starting like slightly concealed, and this one that's fresh. It's like thicker, bushier, nice and thin. So yeah, then you try to line it up again. And I always take a step back from the mirror so I can see. Like I have a mirror here too. If you make any mistakes, you could always go back in with your brush or your pencil and just slightly correct or adjust it how you want it to be. Because it's your brows. It's your face. This concealer was really good. I'm gonna switch to this. Yeah. So guys, these are my eyebrows. So yeah guys, this is my brows. This is my brows. Keep watching, and guys, don't forget to thumbs it up. Just thumbs it up. Let me know that you were here. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it. Thumbs it up. See you later.